Title: The Little Acorn's Journey. Once upon a time, in a peaceful forest, there lived a little acorn named Alvin. Alvin was very small and felt insignificant among the towering trees around him. He yearned to be as strong and mighty as the others. One sunny day, as Alvin watched the birds fly high in the sky, he whispered to himself, "I wish I could fly like them and see the world beyond this forest." Just then, a wise old oak tree named Oliver heard Alvin's wish. Oliver had seen many seasons come and go and had learned many lessons throughout his long life. He gently swayed his branches and called out to Alvin, "Dear little acorn, do not underestimate your worth. You have great potential within you. But remember, strength and might come with patience and perseverance." Alvin listened intently to Oliver's words and felt a spark of hope. He decided to embark on a journey to discover his true potential. With a little push from a gust of wind, Alvin rolled away from his familiar surroundings, bidding farewell to his tree home. As Alvin journeyed through the forest floor, he encountered various creatures and faced many challenges. He met a curious squirrel named Sammy, who scurried up and down trees, collecting nuts for the winter. Sammy noticed Alvin's determination and offered his help. Together, they pushed and rolled Alvin towards a nearby river. Floating on a leaf, Alvin gently sailed down the river, experiencing the world beyond the forest. Along the way, he saw beautiful flowers, heard the laughter of children, and witnessed the diversity of nature. The more he saw, the more his desire to explore grew. After a while, the river carried Alvin to a bustling town. There, he met a kind-hearted girl named Lily. She was amazed by the little acorn's journey and invited him into her garden. Alvin found a cozy spot among the flowers, and Lily watered him every day. Alvin began to sprout roots and stretch his tiny stem towards the sun. Days turned into weeks, and weeks turned into months. Alvin grew into a small sapling, spreading his delicate branches. One day, Lily's father decided to plant Alvin in the town square. With love and care, Alvin grew taller and stronger, becoming a magnificent oak tree. People passing by marveled at Alvin's grandeur. They gathered under his shade on hot summer days and sought shelter from the rain beneath his sturdy branches. Alvin felt a sense of fulfillment and realized that his wish to be strong and mighty had come true. One sunny afternoon, Alvin spotted Sammy the squirrel in the town square. Sammy looked up at Alvin and exclaimed, "You have become so magnificent. Your journey has inspired me. I now know that every small seed has the potential to grow into something amazing." Alvin smiled and replied,